Hi guys, this is Stefan Zamit from NeuronFX.com, and in this video we're going to have a look at the NFT Maker Toolkit, which is a toolkit for Adobe After Effects. So let's jump right into the features and see what is included. So let's close this, and first of all, in here we are in the downloaded folder, and what we need to do is first we need to install some things in here, mainly these animations in here. It's going to be a very simple process, so all you need to do is simply copy this file, copy, and then go to this folder destination. So it would be your documents folder, Adobe After Effects, and your version that you are using, and then user presets, and then simply paste them right over here. Now you can bypass even this installation and use these animation presets without installing them, but when installing them we will have access for these from right within After Effects, so it is a little bit easier. So now we can jump to After Effects, and here we are. So, and if you have done that step correctly, just very quickly in here inside Effects and Presets, you can go ahead in here just in case and click on these three buttons and click refresh list so that everything is up to date. And then if you open these in here under user presets, you will find them right over here, NFT Maker animations, just like that. And in here you will have the animations that you can add, so like the 3D animations in here and object animations. So that's basically it regarding animations.